And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, we hear how Constable Smart and other artificial intelligence tools could soon revolutionize the Jamaica Constabulary Force by replacing several manual processes at police stations island-wide.
It's part of increased efforts to transform the police force in 2025 and beyond. Those and other issues were discussed at the JCF's Distinguished Mesa Lecture and Transformation Expo launch today.
Meet Constable Smart.
Me, a Constable Smart, your law enforcement AI assistant at the Jamaica Constabulary Force. How me can assist you today?
An authentically Jamaican artificial intelligence tool that could soon transform the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Constable Smart can answer almost any question related to law enforcement and even provide specific information on the country's legislation. The creator of Constable Smart, CEO of the Amber Group, Dushian Savadia, was making a presentation at the JCF's Mensa Lecture and Transformation Expo launch today.
If I have 10 points on my license already, how many more points do I need to my license to get suspended?
If you have 10 points on your license already and you accumulate 4 more points, the authority will suspend your license for 6 months.
And there's something even more innovative that the company is looking to roll out in the JCF in the near future.
Imagine now all our police stations in Jamaica, when you walk in, there'll be an AI agent waiting for you. You go up to it, you talk to it, you file your report, it'll ask you questions, it will even interrogate and ask you the right way so that it collects all the data it needs about your situation, what has happened, where it happened, who was involved. And can you imagine, it files the entire report for you into the database of JCF itself without anybody having to sit down and write all of those things.
Driven by Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake, those plans are part of the technology component in transforming the force. As Dr. Blake explained during the lecture, the other core elements are people and quality service.
How are these tied together? So the people deliver the service. Our quality management system determines the quality service that we consistently deliver, and the technology enables the delivering of those services. And we believe that if we sufficiently cover all 3 pillars, then our transformation would take us to where we want to go.
For me, this lecture represents the embodiment of a new and elevated tradition within the law enforcement agency, one that affirms the value of rigorous intellectual engagement, pulse-driven discourse in public safety and security. Indeed, the leadership of the force is taking a more cerebral approach to policing.
The JCF Transformation Expo will be held from June 19 to 22 at the National Arena in Kingston and the Montego Bay Community College.